Hi everyone, good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome back to the class. So today is the class about the Kritika Nakshatra. Okay, someone has requested me that make a video on the Kritika constellation. So here is the video. Okay, so this video is for the Kritika Basta, whose name letter starts with the letter A, E, I, and U. And for those who wants to learn astrology, so astrology is like a gravity. Okay, you don't have to believe in it for it to be working in your life. Okay, this is a very good quotation. You can remember. What will you choose? This universe is so vast and ever expanding. Tell me in the comment section, love marriage or arranged marriage or no marriage. All right. So this is again, let's recite once again Navratri calculation, Navtara calculation. We are recently ongoing Gupta Navratra. So wishing you all happy Navratri. May Goddess Durga bless you with all the prosperity. Okay, so now practical utility of the Navtara Chakra. Janmatara, birth chakra, birth karaka, sampati tara, wealth and resources, vipatti, that is your trouble, kshema, that is about your prosperity, pratyak, that is your challenges, hardships, and that is also comes in the troubles, obstacles. Sadhak tara, your accomplishments, your nidhan tara, that is about your death and sufferings, and mitra tara, normally your friends and the fan followings, and the ati Paramamitram Tara, best friends and well wishers. All right, so this is a Kritika Nakshatra. You have to start with the letter, the number 3, fill all the uh, columns, and at the end, you will get the second Nakshatra. Okay, that is a Bharani Nakshatra. So now let's come to the Kritika Nakshatra example. Okay, so I'm taking the example of Indian actor Uday Chopra sir. Okay, so I'm not sure that his nakshatra is Kritika nakshatra or the Purva Ashada or the Uttara Ashada. Okay, because we don't have an exact date of time and location. Okay, birth location. So now it's depend on person that what they follows. Okay, if you don't have any idea that what you can do, I'll give you an idea. Like you can check your transaction of your money, okay, on which particular constellation that you got the money or you lose it, okay, or you lost it. So uh, you can search on the Google on which particular nakshatra, or like you can see the dates, okay, and see the nakshatra. Then you will get to know that which nakshatra works for you. Okay, the name nakshatra, the date of birth nakshatra. All right. Now let's come to the his date of birth, 5th January 1973. The Mulank is a 5th and the Bhagyank is a 8th. Her design number is 4. Letters comes in Pytho D, M, V, and the O and Z. Caladian numerology. Okay, desire. Me. I'm not saying about me, but any other person. Okay, so let's see. What does it mean? The kritika, that means to be critical. Okay, very critical person. The X to the cutoff. It is kind of a detachment from this materialistic world. Okay. Now symbol is a knife, and they can keep any sharp instrument. Okay. Gana is a Rakshasa Gana. Okay, but the quality is a Rajas, not the Tamas. Okay, the mixture of the Satvik or Rajas. So Varna is a praise animal goat, favorite color white, favorite direction north. Okay, if they do work towards the north direction, they will get a lot of wealth. And Gotra is a sage Angirasa, similarly like me, and sun sign is a Capricorn. So first thing, let me clear one thing that many of you were asking, like, what is a Rakshas Gana? What does it mean? The Rakshas Gana means like you belong to the Shivism. Okay, you should follow, you should worship the deity Shiva. If you are a Devgana, you should worship the Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, Krishna. Okay, if you belong to the Manushya Gana, that means like you should follow both the Vaishnavism and the Shivism both. All right, and Shaktism, including in both, in a Shaivism or in a Vaishnavism. You should worship both Goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Vishnu, Parvati and Shiva as well. Okay, so now here there is no bad image as such in terms of relationships of Uday Chopra sir. Now Never confused by looking at someone's name letter only, okay? His nakshatra may be different, okay? Like me, my name starts with the letter A, okay? But it doesn't work on me. Always remember the real nakshatra that is mentioned in your kundali, in your horoscope, okay? That will give you accuracy about your future predictions. Always prefer real Janma nakshatra. If you don't know your nakshatra, if you don't know your date of birth or time, then you can consider your name letter, okay? In general, in India, in Vedic astrology, we consider the Janma nakshatra only, okay? Sorry, I not corrected. This is a Kritika nakshatra. All right. So, what are the gender traits of letter A? Letter A, E, I, U. Okay. Kritika by name connotes Kriti means a great achievement. In other words, to cut, to divide with, the swords and the knife. Very sarcastic person. So very critical as well, stubborn, furious person, worried in nature, fond of spicy foods. They like to eat and cook. They are very brilliant in appearance, you see, and a peaceful nature, a brilliant and successful person. If we talk about the shadowy side, then destructive tendencies. Yeah, and the affairs are common to get their true love and a partner, and there will be the diseases related to the throat. Okay, that are all these traits are general attributes. Possibility of love affairs are failure of the love affairs are quite common. Okay, failures. And very proficient in the music, wealthy, famous personality, frequent quarrels in the family that are also common. They can progress with the help of the women and elders. Fond of costly jewelry, beautiful clothes, cosmetic products. They can become a minister or a role model if Jupiter is strong. Okay, if the Jupiter is weak, no. Then they should have the good character as well. So Makri is strong, then they get the prizes and gifts from the government. And always happy-go-lucky person. Okay, so this picture is taken from the movie Doom 3. And I also like the movie Mere Yaar Ki Shaadi Hai. Yeah, that's a very old movie, but yeah, I like the Uday Chopra sir as well. Now let's talk about the Sampati Tara of the Kritika Nakshatra. Okay, if your name letter is A, E, I, and U. You can check these nakshatra to get your wealth, or you can check your past histories, past transactions. Are you getting, wealth on these particular nakshatra? If yes, then it works on you. If it doesn't, and if it doesn't, then then you have to check your all the past transactions. Okay, that see the dates or the nakshatra. Are you getting your wealth on this particular nakshatra, or are you getting your wealth from these people? If yes, then this nakshatra is working on you. And if you can do such kind of things, that you can what you can do, that you can hire an astrologer. Okay, he or she can predict everything for you, and they will give you instructions that what you have to do and what you have not to do. Like, I'm a medical doctor by profession, but this is my part-time job, because like this comes in my in legacy, and my grandfather did, and I belong to the priest family. That's why I do the astrology as my part-time job. Okay, so if anybody wants to hire me as an astrologer, they can do contact with me. Now next, okay, the 413 22nd of the Rohini, Hasta, and Shravana Nasad. Rohini comes in a Manusya Gana, Hasta Devagana, or the Shravana Devgana. Okay, the Yoni is a Sarpa, Buffalo, and Monkey. Now you can do auspicious work on this particular nakshatra. You will get wealth, because I'm getting my wealth on particular the Makshira, Chitra, or Dhanishta nakshatra, because I come in a Rohini nakshatra. So you can also check your wealth coming from which nakshatra and tell me in the comment section. So this will help me for my research purpose. Okay, let me see like how many data I can get from all of you. Okay, so I'll be very I'll be very grateful like if you can provide me the data of yours. Okay, anybody. I'm not saying about the particular side of that. So the thing is that every nakshatra is different and it works differently. Okay, like for me, or for the Rohini nakshatra, these 3 nakshatra works for their prosperity. Okay, and for other nakshatra like Kritika nakshatra, their Sampatti nakshatra is Rohini, Hasta, or Shravana. Okay, so if they do work on these particular nakshatra, they will surely get the benefit. So on these nakshatra, particular these nakshatra, they should avoid the travel. Okay, I'm talking about the Kritika nakshatra. So no marriage and no partnership is recommended. Or Kshema Tara. Kshema Tara is all about the greater happiness. Okay, in terms of health, they can give, they can take advice from the 6th, 15th, and the 24th nakshatra, and they can go on these particular nakshatra for their health consultation, for their big surgeries and all that. All right. Now, Pratyak Tara is also inauspicious. Okay, it gives you challenges, setbacks, and obstacles. You know, in a relationship, in a partnership, in a marriage. So avoid these nakshatra. So your bad nakshatra is the 7th, 16th, and the 25. Avoid all these nakshatra and the personal letters as well. Okay, don't be too close with these nakshatra people. Now, Sadhak Tara. Sadhak Tara is responsible for your siddhis, your accomplishments, okay? Your achievements, like from which guru, from which professor you will get your certificates, your degrees and all that, like that. Okay, so they will support you, help you in your success. So for you, for the Kritika nakshatra people, number 8, 17 or 26, Pushya, Anuradha, Uttar Bhadrapada will give you siddhis, okay? Your achievements, they will support you. So, okay, you can do auspicious work on these nakshatra because these nakshatras are for your gurus. All right. So, I hope you understood. And now let me tell you who will be my disciples. Okay. So, if someone thinks like my name letter is A, so like they are thinking my nakshatra is a Kritika. Okay. And my real nakshatra is Rohini. Okay, the letter comes in Rohini O. Okay, first pada. So I'll be the guru. I'll be a guru of the 25th nakshatra or 26th nakshatra. Okay, the Purva Bhadrapada or the Uttar Bhadrapada nakshatra. Okay, so this is a kind of a knowledge which is mentioned in the Vedic scriptures. Okay, nowadays. Sometimes they follow, people follow or not follow. Okay, so I'll be authorized to give siddhis to Uttar Bhadrapada or the Purva Bhadrapada people. Now the Nidhan Tara. Nidhan Tara, it's about your death, your danger to life, your misfortune, risk of severe diseases. Okay, so who will be your reason of death? So here it is one, first is 9th nakshatra. There are many other aspects, but this is a basic that everyone should know about that. So they will choose a right path for their better life. Now 9th, 18th or 27th. Ashlesha, Jyeshta and Revati. These are the dangers for the Kritika nakshatra. So they should avoid the good dealings, business dealings, work, travel. You know, if they are keeping their brand's name, then they should avoid these nakshatra letters as well. So yeah, now in these nakshatra, the Revati nakshatra is more powerful to give you death or accident. So be aware with the C or D. And I know that like when the death comes, it will come. Okay, nobody can stop. But we must keep some things in mind, or like we should be careful about a few nakshatras. I'm just talking about the 3 taras. Okay, the Nidhan taras, Pratyak taras, or the Vadha taras. Okay, we should avoid these 9 nakshatras. Okay, because like it is about your life is so precious, and I am so anxious person. Yeah, like I don't do travel on this particular nakshatra, okay, on particular Nidhan nakshatra or Vipatti nakshatra or the Pratyak nakshatras. So yeah, be cautious. You can relate with your person name, city name, your medicine name, anything. Now, Mitra Tara. Mitra Tara signifies your friendship, your social support, your positive interactions between individuals, helpful connections, and it brings a good results. So, for your Mitra Tara is a 10th nakshatra, 19th nakshatra, and the first nakshatra, that is Maga, Moola, and Ashwani. These are your friends, good friends. They will support you in your life. Now the Param Mitra, Ati Mitra, best friends, very close friendships, or like, the very close relationship in your business or in your family, like that. So 11th, 20, or the second nakshatras. Purva Falguni, Purva Ashada, or Bharani nakshatra. So tell me in the comment section if you belong to the Kritika nakshatra and if you have your close friend with these name letters. Okay. And Kritika can go with the Pushya nakshatra because of the same yoni. Okay. And they will be more compatible as per the scripture. So the Kritika nakshatra, A, E, I, U letters can go with the letter H and D. Okay, so this boring lecture is now over. So you can do auspicious work on these nakshatra because these nakshatras are your best friends. Okay, and many astrologers, I already told you, they prefer the last nakshatra, the 27th nakshatra in the Navatara table. So this depends on the person that whom they want to marry or not. Okay. So what is the conclusion? As per the Navatara prediction, the Kritika can go with the Bharani nakshatra. Okay. These are the letters. Okay. There is a difference between the Li, Lu, Le, Lo, La. La comes in the Ashwini nakshatra. Okay. So the one mistake is so dangerous. So be careful when you are choosing your life partner, when you are choosing your business partner. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you like it, like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Okay.